Hello, it's Rachel. Today's project is for the 6x6 challenge over on my Facebook group. The theme this week is New Year, New Start. I'm beginning here with some distress inks. The colours I've chosen today are Dusty Concord and Faded Jeans, and I'm using the wrinkle-free distress technique to pick up the ink onto a piece of plain white cardstock. After that's dried, I'm taking some Versamagic chalking in the colour Thatched Straw, and I'm sponging this onto my piece where the white areas appear using a piece of Ranger cut and dry foam. To create some further interest and texture in the background, I've chosen a linen effect stamp by Stampin' Up. I'm stamping this in archival ink in the colour Blue Violet. Next, I've decided to add some stenciling. For this, I've chosen a stencil by Crafters Workshop called Mini Sunburst. I'm using this with some distressing in Faded Jeans. This was one of the colours used on the background, and I'm applying it using some Ranger cut and dry foam. The idea of using this particular stencil is to create a firework effect for the New Year theme. For the text on my piece, I wanted to choose a sentiment that was reflective of new starts. So this is from a Tim Holtz stamp set called Fairy Tale Frenzy, and I'm stamping it with the aid of a stamp positioner in VersaFine ink in the colour Onyx Black. To make the sentiment stand out, I've chosen to add both some white pen and also some black pen. The pen that I'm using here is a Signo Angelic or Angelica pen, I'm not sure which one it's called, but I do go over this with a Posca paint pen as well because it's a little more white and opaque than the Signo one. I also use a Micron pen, but I do this off camera just to darken the black colour of the stamping. This is a Jelly Roll Stardust pen by Sakura. I'm going to use this along the edges of the stenciled area so that it adds some sparkle onto the piece. Hopefully here you can see the glitter from that Jelly Roll pen. I am trying to create the effect of a bursting firework, and to enhance that effect I've chosen a second stamp. This is a star from a Tim Holtz set called Bitty Grunge. I'm stamping it with archival ink in the colour Blue Violet, and then I also use a Starburst pen on the stars and go around these in a purple colour. That is everything for today. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you're interested in joining in with the 6x6 challenges, there's always a link to that in the video description, and there's always a link there to the full product list and my social media. Happy New Year, and I hope 2019 brings everything that you want it to.